Hello students, we are learning the state management and we are learning the client side state management options. Okay, previously we learned the view state. Yes. Now next one is the hidden fields. Yes. So hidden fields, what are the hidden fields? Hidden fields are used to store the data at the page level. As its name says, these fields are not rendered by browser. It's just like a standard control for which you can set its properties. Yes. So hidden fields क्या होती है कि ये खाली स्मॉल काइंड ऑफ डेटा स्टोर करती है. ये जब भी पेज जब भी डिस्प्ले होता है एज अ वेब पेज एट द रन टाइम, देन हिडन फील्ड आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी डिस्प्ले और हम उसका खाली प्रॉपर्टीज के अंदर वैल्यू वगैरह स्टोर कर सकते हैं. इसके अंदर हम पेज स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू या एक ही सिंगल पेज का वैल्यू हम यहाँ पर स्टोर कर सकते हैं. इसका जो वैल्यू होता है वो खाली सिंगल पेज अप टू ही लिमिटेड है. Okay, so we cannot access this particular value to hold the websites. Okay, how we can store the hidden field value? So here are the example are given. First one, hidden field 1 dot value is equal to your value. In the double quotes or in the integer value, you can assign any value to the hidden field. By default it is a string. Yes. To retrieve a hidden field value, we can take the one variable like str, string str is equal to hidden field 1 dot value. Yes, so by using this way we can retrieve the hidden field value. Now what are the advantages of the hidden field? First one is the simple to implement for a page specific data. Yes, it is very easy and you can see here that how we implement the or store the value inside the hidden field. Yes, and can store the small amount of data so they can take less size. Yes, here we can see that we can store the any value like employee ID, employee number, or student class ID. Yes, or any student roll number, like this. Any ID or any value we can store inside the small value we can store inside the hidden field. So it is a very less amount of space occupied by the hidden field. Now what are the disadvantages? Inappropriate for sensitive data. Yes, hidden field value are we can say sensitive data. For the sensitive data, it is not appropriate to store the sensitive data inside your hidden field. Yes, so you cannot store the any password value inside the hidden field. Yes, because it is visible. Second disadvantage, hidden fields value can be encrypted or clearly visible when passed over the network. And third one disadvantage is what? A small amount of data stored. Okay, so disadvantage are we can say that if you right click on the page web page and view source, so you can easily find the hidden field value data and it is visible. Yes, and if you pass over the network, then hidden field data are clearly visible. Yes, and we can say that plus one disadvantage that it can store the small amount of data. Yes, if you want to store the large amount of data inside the hidden field, then it is not possible. So that is also one disadvantage of the hidden field. Now let us see how the programmatically implement the hidden. Okay, now let us look the example of the hidden field. Here I taken one hidden field control from the toolbox. You can see that it is a hidden field. Yes, and its ID is hidden field 1. Yes, and submit in submit button what we code that text box 1 dot text is equal to what? Hidden field 1 dot value. Yes, or and what we do that in the if the your page is not post back, then we store the value inside the hidden field. Yes, so hidden field one dot value is equal to what? Rafael BCA on the page load. Yes, and in button click we retrieve the value of the hidden field in a text box control. Yes, here we set the value of the hidden field and here we get the value of the hidden field. Yes, inside the text box control. Now let us run this particular program so we can clearly understand what these are happening here. Yes, okay, here one thing I always get this. Yes, you can also submit. Okay, so when this particular text box is getting the value, it will get the value from the hidden field. Yes, and on the button click it will display the value of the hidden field on a text box control. Okay, if you want to see the page source, then you can also see the page source. Here we taken the hidden field, then we can also see the ID of the hidden field, and we can also see the value of the hidden field. So hidden field value are clearly visible. Yes, when it pass over the network or in the web page also, it is clearly visible. So it is not secure, but if you want to store some kind of data or for the JavaScript purpose, it is very helpful to you. Yes, at the time of calculation. So here we have a program also and concept also how we can implement the hidden field. Okay, thank you so much.